When were typewriters invented? The first typewriter were patented as devices to help the blind. In the United States, the first typewriter was patented by William Burt in 1829. It was known as typographer, but there exists no example of this machine. In 1833, a Frenchman, Xavier Proudhon, invented a machine which employed type bars with key lever for every letter. In 1843, an American, Charles Thurber, patented a machine which employed a set of type bars placed around a brass wheel. The wheel rotated on a central pivot. It was brought around the desired letter and the inked type struck directly upon the paper beneath. However, it was very slow to make this machine practical. Finally, in 1873, the first practical typewriter was invented by Christopher Latham Scholes, Samuel Soule and Carlos Glidden. It went on sale in 1874. It had a paper inserted around a rubber cylinder, an inked ribbon, reversible spools for the ribbon and a moving carriage. Bits of fact. In 1861, a Brazilian press, Father de Azevedo, made a typewriter from wood and knives and was awarded a gold medal by the Brazilian emperor.